Welcome to Recline Yoga. Today, Ballet stretch. Open your legs wide, sit tall, bend to the center and side, and repeat, grounding through your sitting bone. Flow with your breath. Come into side bend stretch. Reach your arm up and bend to the side. Feel the stretch along your side body. Breathe into the ribs. Seated while legs twist. Sit tall with your legs wide apart. Keep both sitting bones grounded. Soften your shoulder. Inhale, return to center, switch side. Come into butterfly pose. Bring the sole of your feet together. Let your knees fall open. Sit tall. Slowly wake up and half split. Shift your hips back. Straighten your front leg. Flex your front foot. Keep your hip square. Lengthen your spine. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, gently fold forward. Step your right foot forward. Lower your back knee down. Stack your knee over your ankle. Switch side, hand to the mat, half split. Come into high lunge. Lift your chest, keep your hips square. Come into guided squat. Step your feet forward. Turn your toes slightly out. Twist to the right. Bend your knee and sink your hips down. Inhale and exhale, switch side. Come into triangle pose. Inhale, reach your arms outward. Exhale, hinge at your hips and reach forward. Lower your left hand to your chin or the floor. Open your chest. Switch side. Slowly wake up. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.